In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to WooCommerce. By the end, you'll have Stripe available as a payment option in your store, ready for you to finish configuring and start accepting card payments. First, open your WooCommerce website's admin dashboard. This is the WordPress backend where you manage your store. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has administrator access so you can install and manage plugins. Next, go to the Plugins area from the left-hand menu. This is where all extensions for your site live. Choose Add New, then use the search bar to look up Stripe. You'll see several results, but look for the official WooCommerce Stripe plugin, often listed as WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway. Choosing the official option helps ensure better compatibility and support. When you find it, select Install Now. After a moment, the button will change to Activate. Click Activate to turn the plugin on. Activation is important because installing alone doesn't make the feature available to your store. With the plugin active, head to the WooCommerce menu in your dashboard. Click Settings to open the main configuration panel. Across the top, you'll see several tabs. Choose Payments. This tab gathers all the payment methods your store can use. In the list of available methods, locate Stripe. You should see an option to enable or set it up. Click Setup. This takes you to the dedicated Stripe configuration screen provided by the plugin. Here, you can enable Stripe for your checkout and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the connection. The interface may offer options like turning the method on, selecting display names for checkout, and reviewing basic preferences. Take a moment to read any descriptions on the page so you understand what each toggle does. When you're done reviewing and enabling Stripe, scroll down and save your changes. Saving makes your selections active in your store. If you don't see Stripe appear as enabled right away on the Payments tab, refresh the page and confirm the toggle is on. If the plugin offers additional tabs or links for more detailed settings, you can explore those later to refine the experience. But the essential connection begins right here from the Payments screen. That's it. You've opened your WooCommerce site, installed and activated the Stripe plugin, gone into WooCommerce settings, selected Payments, found Stripe, and set it up from there. This straightforward path gives you the foundation to accept payments through Stripe with WooCommerce. If you ever need to adjust anything, return to WooCommerce, Settings, then Payments, and manage Stripe from the same place.